Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE V20 and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings. From here, scroll down to storage. I'm just going to simply search for it. I think it might be quicker and easier. Okay, so storage is located under System. There we go. Once you navigate into System, you can find it right here. And when you tap on it, it will show you the internal storage, which is the one that the phone itself has. And below that, your SD card. So let's click on the card. And then we can select Files as an example. You can use either one to open up the card. I'm selecting Files. From here, click on the three dots and navigate to Storage Settings, where you will find Format option. When you click on it, it will give you a pop-up letting you know that basically performing this will remove everything from the card. So if you have any kind of data on that card that you would like to keep, do make a copy of it somewhere else before you begin, otherwise it will be permanently deleted. Now, assuming you have already made that copy or you just simply don't want to, you can proceed by selecting Format SD card. This will begin the process, which only takes a couple seconds to finish up and should be right about done. There we go. So click on done and that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.